Before you can run payroll in QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to add your employees. Let's go over how to add your employees, including their personal info, pay rates, pay schedules, work location, and deductions. We'll also show you how to make this easier by inviting your employees to add some of this info themselves. To start, go to Payroll and then Overview. Select Get Started and answer the questions to help us get everything set up for you. Tell QuickBooks if you have paid your employees this year. Select Next to continue. Select your next payday here, then select Next. Review your primary work location and update if needed. Enter the name, business phone number, and email address of your payroll contact. Next, select Start under Tell us about your team and then Add Employee. Add your employee's name, email address. QuickBooks will automatically email them an invite to QuickBooks Workforce, where they can view their pay stubs, T4s, and more. To save you some data entry, you can have your employees enter their personal, tax withholding, and bank account info themselves. They'll receive an invite to do this through QuickBooks Workforce. Now you're ready to add your employee info. You can start with any section. Since Employee Self-Setup is on, you won't be able to edit personal info, tax withholding cards, and emergency contact. If you need to pay your employees right away or want to add the info yourself, turn off Employee Self-Setup. You can turn it on or off at any time. Once your employee adds their info through QuickBooks Workforce, you'll be able to see it and make changes. Let's start with employment details. Select Edit. Add your employee's pay schedule and work location and hire date. All other fields are optional. For a pay schedule, tell us how often you pay this employee, when their next payday will be, and when the last day of that pay period will be. The payday is the day your employees get their checks or direct deposits. The pay period is the days you're paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 paydays and pay periods based on the info you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. You can name this schedule, and if you want to use it for other employees, just check this box. If everything looks good, select Save. Next, you'll need to add a work location. The work location is the physical address where your employee works. You'll see the address you gave us when you added your business details. If your employee is based out of a different location, add a new location. When you're done, select Save. For pay types, tell us how much you pay your employee. You can choose from hourly, salary, or commission only. For this example, we'll set up an hourly rate. You can set up time-off pay policies. You can also add other pay types like overtime or bonus, or pay types for other items like reimbursements or controlled tips. When you're done, select Save. If there's any change to the vacation policy, or you need to add a new one, you can enter it here. If your employee has any deductions like health insurance or retirement plans, add them by selecting Start on Deductions and Contributions. Select Add Deduction Contribution. Then select the relevant option from the drop-down under Deduction Contribution Type and fill in the other details in the subsequent fields that appear. Select Save. When you've finished adding all the deductions, select Done. Update the contact details of the person to be reached in case of emergency under the Emergency Contact. Select Done to go back to Overview page. You've added your new team member. Nice work! Now you're ready to start paying your employees.